Coming up on the Irving Submarket as we make our way across DFW. James, what do you know about Irving?
Yeah, so Irving is really, I would say, sort of cut in half by 183. You got sort of North Irving, which includes Las Colinas, and then you got South Irving. On the North Irving side, most of the product is 1980s, 90s, even brand new construction. JPI is building a lot of new construction on the North Irving side. So most people probably start in South Irving. When I first started in the business, I had never even been to South Irving, but South Irving was really the 60s, 70s, even 80s product. And the demographic is, more sort of working class, blue collar. And then as you go north of 183, you get a lot more sort of white collar. There's a lot of headquarters, so Fortune 500 headquarters in Irving. And so a lot of people like that submarket. It's very close to the DFW airport, and it's probably only 15, 20 minutes to downtown Dallas.
Yeah, isn't Goldman Sachs or one of those big banks building an HQ around here?
Yeah, so Wells Fargo just announced that they're moving their regional headquarters, sort of consolidating. I think they have a little bit of a presence here now, but that's going to be probably another 1,000, 2,000 employees they're going to try to consolidate in sort of that Las Colinas area near the Toyota Music Factory along 114. And so you've got Exxon, you've got Microsoft, Kimberly-Clark. A lot of headquarters are right there. Just people can fly in to DFW. It's 5-10 minutes over to Las Colinas, and then you're close to downtown, and there's a lot of new product there.
HQ station.